Good day. In this video, you're going to learn to sketch the graph of a hyperbola with center at the origin, given the equation of a hyperbola. So I'm going to give you three examples for this topic. We have example number 1, sketch and discuss 9x squared minus 16y squared equals 144. So hindi pa natin ito mag-graph. Kailangan muna natin i-convert itong general equation of the hyperbola to standard equation. Okay, yun muna natin gagawin. So we have 9x squared minus 16y squared equals 144. Okay, so para ma-convert to sa standard form, we're going to divide all of the terms by 144. So 9 divided by 144 is 1 over 16. So that will be x squared over 16. 16 divided by 144 is 1 over 9, or y squared over 9. 140 divided by 144 is equals to 1. So this is now in standard form. And if we're going to match this to the table that I have showed you earlier, this is the same as this equation. X squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equals 1. Okay. Since yung ating x squared term is positive, ibig sabihin nun, yung ating hyperbola ay horizontal sa pagganto. Okay? And then, yung transverse axis niya, it's either along x-axis or parallel to x-axis. But since ang center niya is located at the origin, yung kanyang transverse axis is along x-axis. So therefore, yung mga values natin dito is a squared equals 16, therefore a equals 4. B squared equals 9, therefore b equals 3. Okay? Then we can solve now for C, half of the focal length. Solving C and LR, or latus rectum. So para ma-solve si C, we know the relation C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So we have C equals square root of A squared is 16, B squared is 9, so that will be square root of 25, therefore C equals 5. Okay. For the length of the latera recta, we have LR equals 2B squared over A. Okay. So that will be 2 times B squared is 9. So 2 times 9. A is 4. So this is equivalent to 18. O cancel yung 2. So 9 over 2. This is 4.5. Okay. Half of the lattice rectum kailangan natin in sketching the graph. Half of 9 over 2 is 9 over 4. And half of 4.5 is 2.25. So okay na. So meron na tayo ng mga values na kailangan natin. So kunin natin yung mga important parts ng ating hyperbola. Kunin natin yung vertices. Okay? Ang vertices natin located sa ito'y horizontal, so therefore nasa A0 and negative A0. So therefore, ang vertices natin located sa B sub 1, A is 4, so 4, 0. B sub 2, negative 4, 0. For the foci, ang foci natin located sa F1, C0, F2, negative C0. Therefore, ang foci natin located sa C natin ay 5, so 5, 0, F2, negative 5, 0. Next, yung ating endpoints ng conjugate axis. conjugate axis. Yan ay located sa B sub 1, 0B, B sub 2, 0 negative B. Sa makatuwid, siya ay located sa B sub 1, 0, 3, B sub 2, 0 negative 3. Okay. Next, yung ating equation ng asymptotes. Equation natin is y equals plus or minus b over a x. So, ibig sabihin, ang equation natin will be y equals b is 3. So, 3 plus or minus 3 over 4x. Okay. Ano pa ba? The lateral recta, e sub 1 is c b squared over a. E sub 2, c negative b squared over a. E sub 3, negative c b squared over a. E sub 3, negative c negative b squared over a. Okay. Kunin natin si e sub 1. C is 5 kanina, no? 5. Ang b squared over a natin, 2.25 or 9 over 4. E sub 2, 5, negative 9 over 4. E sub 3, negative 5, 9 over 4. And E sub 4, negative 5, negative 9 over 4. So, yan na. Yung mga kailangan nating parts ng sketch of the graph ng ating pong hyperbola with center at the origin. Ang length ng ating conjugate axis length of conjugate axis is equals to 2b. So, sa makatuwid, 2 times b, ang b natin ay 3, 6 units. Okay? Ang length ng ating transverse axis ay 2a. So, 2 times a. Ang a natin ay 4, so therefore 8 units. Okay? Now, i-graph na natin yung ating hyperbola. Okay, sketch na natin yung ating hyperbola. Ang center niya nasa origin. So, we have center 0, 0. Okay. Ang kanyang transverse axis ay 8. Ibig sabihin, 4 units to the right, 4 units to the left. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, naroon yung vertices natin. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito yung ating B sub 1. 4, 0. Ito yung ating B sub 2. Negative 4, 0. And then, yung ating focal length is equivalent to 2C or that will be 10 units. Ang location ng focus natin, o foci natin ay 5, 0 and negative 5, 0. So, ito yung ating 5, 0. Ito yung ating negative 5, 0. Okay. And then, yung ating endpoints ng conjugate axis located sa 0, 3, and 0, negative 3. So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then, kuha tayo dito ng rectangular shape connecting the endpoints of the conjugate axis and the vertices. Okay, next. The lateral recta dadaan sa foci. Ang coordinates nun ay 5, 9/4. Ang 9/4 ay 2.25. So, 1, 2, somewhere here. Sa baba, ganun din. Somewhere here. 1, 2, okay. 1, 2, 2.25. Tapos dito rin, 2.25. So, E sub 1 is located at 5, 9/4. E sub 3 is located at, E sub 2. 5, negative 9/4. E sub 3 is negative 5, 9/4. E sub 4 is negative 5, negative 9/4. Okay? Now, graph na natin yung ating hyperbola. Okay. So, ating directrix. End po ng lateral recta. Okay. Okay. Ito yung ating B sub 1. Located sa 0, 3. Ito yung ating B sub 2. 0, negative 3. Yung ating asymptotes na dito, tatama dun sa center. Okay. Kabila na dito. Okay. So, yung asymptote natin dito is y equals 3/4 x. Dito ay y equals negative 3/4 of x. Okay? So, that is how to sketch the graph of the equation of a hyperbola with center at the origin. Okay? So, I'm going to give you the second example in graphing the equation of the hyperbola with center at the origin. Thank you.